Okay guys, so let me show you some examples of Instagram Reels that you can create without showing your face. Okay, so you don't always have to be on camera, lights, camera, action. You can literally go and create content using pictures that you already have for your boutique products, guys, on Instagram, and just share that as a reel, guys, because like I said before, Instagram Reels are ranking extremely higher than just regular pictures. Okay, so here's the first example here. You can see right here I've just got my images that I already took for my boutique anyway, and I've just got that there with this you know, the price of the product, because I was running a sale. This is an Instagram reel. I just put a bunch of pictures together on Canva, guys, and I just put the price there, and I just converted the images into video, and I just uploaded that as an Instagram reel. Now this is definitely getting me more views than a normal regular picture is going to get. So that's an idea for you guys there. Just take the pictures that you have, convert them into reels, guys, and into videos. Sorry, that's my little one in the background. Convert your images into videos, guys, and just upload it as a reel. Here's another one. Okay, similar strategy, guys. That's just an image there, guys, with a price. Okay, so I could have easily just posted this on Instagram as an actual picture, but guess what? I went onto Canva and I just animated this into a video, and you can see it's now like a reel. My face isn't there. I'm just using content I already have, guys. So don't you know, complain about not having any content ideas or having to go out there and put your face on Instagram Reels in order to you know, get the traction that you need. So you can do things like this with video, guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I literally turn images into videos like this. Okay, another reel idea you could do is, I've got this one here for example. So this is me just talking over.
I want to quickly share one of our new arrivals. Is this warm cozy cardigan. It actually comes as a set. So this is an open front cardigan, and it comes with white leg trousers. So it comes with the top and white leg pants, and I will put more details somewhere on the screen.
So guys, you can see this is literally just a voiceover of me sharing a product close up and personal. They can see what the product looks like. And even if you're doing drop shipping, guys, order some samples. Like I always say, get some samples, do some videos, create some content around the product, guys, and share as a reel. So this is actually a reel, and you can see that reel got over 700 views. If I had put that as a normal picture or a normal video, actually it wouldn't have received as many views as this has received. You can see this one has 641 views, but I think, is that video? Okay, you can see. Okay, here's another great example, guys. Look at that. Boxes of new arrivals. This is great for those of you guys who do wholesale. So I do wholesale and dropshipping, so I do a combination of both. So when I get new inventory, I always like to do little short videos of the inventory and then just put it out there, guys, with a little bit of music. There's music in the background, and then I've got some captions here, as you can see, just, you know, call to actions of what I'm actually showing them and what they should do. So this was actually a this was actually a call to action to get people to follow my page on Instagram. Okay, here's another one, guys. Just me showcasing my website. I've just literally taken my phone and I'm recording my website right here, as you can see. Just letting people know, hey, we have a sale, right? We have some new arrivals for people to check it out. Again, not showing my face, guys. You can do this stuff on your phone, okay? And let's see this one. Again, there you go. This is all videos that I'm doing, guys, without actually sitting in front of the camera or doing Instagram lives, or, you know, all those things that take a lot of our time. You can just get the content that you already have right now, guys, and convert that into video, upload it as a reel, and just see how much that's going to help with your business. Okay, so guys, go out there, you know, look at this one, 677. So reels, the thing about reels is you never know which reel is going to take off. I actually have a reel that I uploaded, when was it? I'm trying to find it. Okay, I've got this reel. It's got over 10,000 views, guys, and it's got over 100 likes. That's like the most engagement I've had in a reel. Now, of course, with this one, I'm showing people my face. One's slightly different because I'm showing my face, so it's not really relevant to this video, but it's just to show you guys the power of reels and how it's likely to attract a huge audience. Okay, and the beauty about reels is when you start creating these videos, your content is going to be ranking even faster, okay, within the Instagram algorithm. They're going to push your content out there to more and more people, and you can actually in the future go on and run ads retargeting people who are actually watching your reels. Okay, that's the beauty about the strategy, guys. Sorry, I've got my baby in the background, my newborn. Yeah, so guys, just wanted to share some of these amazing ideas how you can actually turn this one is actually just a stock image that I converted into a video. So what you want to do is you want to go go and create designs here on Canva, I'm just going to go to all my designs and just show you guys an example of some of the designs that I have here. So if I just click on here, and guys, Canva is free, just for the record, so it's completely free. You can see this is like a pic collage of one of my products right here, okay? As you can see, it's a picture, it's not a video, right? Actually, I think I already converted that to a video. So I'm just gonna duplicate that and let me just go there and just do none, okay? Now, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to create what am I doing? I'll just do a blank one just for the sake of this training. And then what I could do is, what you could do if you're just getting started with Canva is you want to first of all upload an image here. So you want to go to the upload section, right? Or you can just drag a picture and drop it right here from your computer. So let's just say, let me just click here, okay? Let me just say I wanted to convert this into a video. Let me just do that. I'm just expanding it. Very self-explanatory, guys. You don't need to be an IT genius to make this thing work. Let me just do this as a collage, as you can see. Boom, right there. So now I could easily just go on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or whatever platforms you use, and just post this as an image, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are doing, and that's okay. It's good to mix your content. However, you want to give priority to video content and make as much video content as possible, okay? Now you can see right now this is just a picture, but what we can do is we can convert this picture into a video, okay? And the way you can do that is, can you see this animate option up here? We can click on the animate right there, okay? And then you can select any of this. If we select block, can you see that? That's a video right there. That's a TikTok video right there. That's an Instagram reel right there. You can even put that on YouTube, right? We've just converted a picture into a video, okay? Pan, you can select all these different options. Rise, I love rise, and I love breathe. These are my two sort of favorites that I like to use, okay? Look at that. So all you want to do, guys, is select an animation of your choice, and then you can even select the length that you want that video to be. 5 seconds is actually a good one. And you can even add text here as well. So here's text, and then just click there to add a heading. So I can just put something there like 50% off, just for the sake of this video. I don't want to go too in depth. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a background. So I'll go to the element section. And guys, if you're wondering how you go about doing all this, we have our training courses at the Ron Boutique Academy that show you more in depth how to do all this. So I don't want to go too in depth. Check out the members area. If you are a member, we have all the trainings here on how to create consistent content for your social media, okay? If you're not a member, I'll leave a link. Check out the Ron Boutique Academy. You can find out all that information there, okay? So let me just go on here. 50% off. Okay, this is just a random thing I'm doing right here, okay? And I can actually go on now, and let's just go back there. Breathe. Okay, can you see that? That's a video right there. Now I can download that video as an MP4 video, okay? And then remember to select only the page that you want to download. So I'm just going to go to page 1 because I don't want it to download all of this as videos. Done. Download. Okay, it's going to take a little while, of course, because it's video. Now once you've downloaded this, guys, all you want to do is go share on your Facebook, your Instagram. These social media platforms are going to push your video content more. You're going to instantly notice that more people are watching your videos. Go try this, guys. Just try this and let me know, the results. You can put this as an Instagram reel, okay? You can put this as a TikTok video, okay? It's a video, so you can put that on TikTok. Anywhere you're marketing, guys, you can use this video content. That's the power of video marketing. So today I just wanted to share with you guys the power of video marketing and why you should prioritize video content over any other piece of content. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be you just showing what the material looks like, guys. It can be you just talking over your new arrivals. You don't have to put your face out there if you don't feel like, okay? So I hope you guys found this useful. Go out there, start creating videos, and notice how much this is going to grow your boutique business.